Do you believe that a small act of kindness from 20 years ago could literally save your life today? Today, I'm going to tell you the story of a man who had no idea that a single cup of cocoa and an old black umbrella would one day return to him as a miracle. This is a story that will make you look at life in a whole new way. Meet Arthur. He ran a tiny corner store in the heart of the city. He didn't have much, but he had a heart of gold. He had one golden rule. Before locking up for the night, if someone hungry walked by, he never let them leave empty-handed. He used to say with a smile, "The universe keeps the books. I just run the shop." One night, it was brutally cold. Just as Arthur was closing up at midnight, he saw a teenager standing in the pouring rain, shivering. You could see the hunger and exhaustion in the kid's eyes. Without a second thought, Arthur brought him inside. He gave the boy his own warm cocoa and a sandwich. As the boy left, Arthur pressed his only umbrella into his hands. That teenager disappeared into the rainy night, but the seed of Arthur's kindness had already begun to grow. Time flew by, not just a year or two, but 20 long years. That little corner store was long gone, and the man with the warm smile was now a patient lying in a hospital bed, weakened by age and illness. Arthur's condition was critical. The doctors said he needed an immediate, high-risk surgery. But the cost? It was astronomical. His family had nothing. They reached out to everyone, but every door was closed. Just when it felt like all hope was lost, fate decided to step in. Just as the family was preparing for the worst, the silence of the hospital corridor was broken. A nurse approached them with incredible news. "Don't worry," she said. "The entire bill for the surgery has been paid in full by an anonymous donor, and the best heart surgeon in the country is already on his way." Arthur's surgery was a success. As he was recovering, he had one question. Who was this guardian angel? The answer was waiting inside a small blue envelope. With trembling hands, Arthur opened it. Inside was a photo of that same old black umbrella from 20 years ago, and a note that read, "That cup of cocoa and that umbrella didn't just warm me up, they saved my dreams. I can never repay you, but I can try to return the favor." Arthur realized that what he had given away 20 years ago hadn't actually left him. It had traveled through time to find its way home. Life is a lot like a mirror. What we put out into the world always finds its way back to us. Maybe not today, and maybe not in the way we expect, but kindness is never, ever wasted. So let me ask you, have you ever had an umbrella moment? Has a stranger ever stepped in when you needed it most? Or have you been that person for someone else? Drop your story in the comments below. Your words might be the inspiration someone needs to hear today. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone you care about and subscribe for more stories like this. Take care of yourselves and each other.